Is your web browser feeling slow or showing outdated pages? Clearing your browser cache with BleachBit can help remove temporary internet files and free up a little storage space. In this guide, I'll show you how to clear browser cache using BleachBit safely on Windows. Let's get started. First, close any web browsers you want to clean, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or other supported browsers. Closing the browser helps ensure that cache files aren't being used while BleachBit is cleaning them. Next, launch BleachBit from the Start menu. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes to continue. Running BleachBit with administrator privileges gives it access to additional cleanup options when available. Now find your browser in the left panel and expand its available cleaning options. Check the box labeled Cache. You can also review other options like cookies, history, download history, or session data, but only select those if you want them removed as well. Click the Preview button to see how much cache can be removed. After reviewing the results, click Clean and confirm the action if prompted. BleachBit will remove the selected browser cache files while leaving any unselected data untouched. Once the cleanup finishes, open your browser again. The first few websites you visit may load a little more slowly because the cache is being rebuilt, but that's completely normal. Over time, the browser will create a fresh cache automatically. And that's how to clear browser cache using BleachBit. Clearing cached files from time to time can help resolve certain browsing issues and remove outdated temporary data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.